The incorporation of artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT and Canva significantly enhances both the efficiency and originality of content creation. This innovative approach empowers creators to automatically generate captivating titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant hashtags, thereby streamlining the overall production process. In analyzing the success of quiz and riddle videos, it becomes evident that viewer engagement plays a critical role in augmenting watch time. Engaging content captivates viewers, ensuring they remain focused, which ultimately enhances the overall performance of the channel. Moreover, YouTube's emphasis on promoting short-form content resonates with contemporary viewer preferences, positioning it as a strategic choice for content creators. By producing short videos, creators can significantly increase their likelihood of achieving viral status, further expanding their reach. The necessity of providing multiple answer options for each riddle encourages critical thinking among participants and fosters higher levels of engagement. This interactive format not only enhances the experience for individuals involved, but also promotes a collaborative atmosphere. Leveraging AI tools such as ChatGPT or Google's Bard facilitates the rapid generation of riddles, proving to be an invaluable asset in saving time and stimulating creativity during the brainstorming process. This efficiency allows creators to focus more on content refinement and delivery. Organizing riddles within a Google Sheet aids in maintaining clarity and structural integrity. This systematic approach ensures easy accessibility to riddles and allows for effortless adjustments when necessary, particularly in preparation for presentations. The elements of timing and animation are fundamental in elevating viewer engagement. Incorporating dynamic components not only captivates the audience but also contributes to creating a more interactive and enjoyable viewing experience. Additionally, the inclusion of music can significantly enhance the overall video experience. It is imperative to utilize royalty-free music to circumvent copyright complications, ensuring viewers can enjoy a seamless and uninterrupted experience. Employing bulk creation tools available on platforms like Canva can effectively streamline content production. This feature not only facilitates efficient data management but also automates various processes, ultimately conserving valuable time during the production phase. Altering the background and color schemes for different shorts is essential for sustaining visual variety, thereby maintaining audience engagement. This practice is crucial for the effective creation of content that resonates with viewers. Establishing a faceless YouTube channel requires meticulous attention to key elements such as title, description, and tags, all of which are vital for optimizing search visibility and attracting the desired audience. Lastly, consistency in the uploading of shorts is essential for the growth of a channel. Regular experimentation with innovative ideas not only enhances engagement but also aids in the comprehension of audience preferences.